So over here you can see that I have this camera view right here, and the camera is rotating, and you can see that I got all of this in 3D layer. And as the camera moves, you can see that this character right here, it actually turns around a bit right here. But sometimes what you may want is you want some layers to always face the camera and not rotate. So in that case, you can turn on something called face to camera. So over here you can see that I can go around and select the layers right here. So if you don't see the layers, you can click on the plus button right here and bring in layers from over here. So once you do that, you can click on the layer that you want actually to face the camera, and then you can go around and click on face camera right here. So as soon as you do that, what happens is that now you can see that there's this character right here. So the camera still moves in 3D space, but you can see that the boy always faces out onto the front direction, as you can see right here. So it does not turn away and does not rotate around with other objects. And that is how you can use face to camera option inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So when you're actually working around with 3D cameras, 2D objects actually face out the camera so that it does not feel a bit off. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.